right, folks? Play some tennis. Again. Since it is my favorite sport.
Tennis. All right, let's hit the court. Quick play.
Okay, 7 points and just one game to win. Oh! No. Yeah. 7, 1 to win. Let's do it.
Here comes the serve. Point. Here comes the serve. A beach ball is in play. Here comes a racket change. 4! It's a golf club. Point. Service change. Your opponent is now serving. And the serve. And the racket change. You've got a table tennis racket. And the racket change. You've got a baseball bat. It's a table tennis ball.
Oh.
And the serve. A basketball is in play. That baseball gives you an equipment match. Service change. It's now your serve. Here comes the serve. It's an accelerator ball. Bring in the heat. Here comes the serve. Go fish.
Ooh. There. Ah.
That plastic ball gives you an equipment match. They didn't know what to do with that. Service change. Your opponent is now serving. And the serve. The net's raised. Would you guys finish this up already?
Yes! Just one more, man!
And the serve.
This is my game.
It's a birdie.
Love tennis.
You've won the match. Congratulations.
Alright, folks, so there you have it. Sports scramble, tennis, bowling, and baseball. Get the game. It is a lot of fun. And as you progress, so will the AI, giving you pretty good challenges. So for now, Tomb Raider wishes everybody a wonderful weekend. Adios.